All right, guys, Leaf Best of Football break number 1. This is 2019. Every box has got one buyback card. Could be auto, could be a rookie card, graded card, and then you've got one Leaf Best of Football base card. So every spot gives you 2 random last name letters, so 10 spots altogether using 20 letters. So Brian W's got 1 spot, Donnie's got 1, Marty's got 1, Dave with 1, Dan with 1, and then Doug, you've got 5 spots in this break. All right, let's go ahead and randomize the last name letters. So we'll mix this up 5 times. You guys let me know. They got Leaf Best of Football. They got basketball. And then we've done a bunch of baseball. So you guys let me know which sport you prefer. And I'll try to grab some and we'll do them. I know we've done a bunch of the baseballs. The basketball from last year, we did a handful of them. Still waiting on this upcoming release. And then we've got this one in football. We've got another one we'll do next weekend. So let me know which one you prefer, and we'll try to grab some more and do those more frequently. All right, so every spot gives you 2 random last name letters. Let's go ahead and do this 5 times as well. All right, so Brian W., you've got last name letters T and A. Dan's got D and M. Dave, you've got B and S. Donnie's got L and H. Doug, you've got Y, V, R, W, J, P, K, N, F, and E. And then Marty, you've got G and C. All right, so there are your teams, or your letters. Dude, this is awesome. All right, first up, not so much this guy, but we got Daryl Henderson. I like how they went with the clear rookies. I don't know if all of these are like this, but it's number 6 out of 10. Last name H will be Donnie. And then Doug, you're going to like this one, man. You wouldn't be celebrating if you got this letter, but you would if you pulled an Elway. Magnificent. This is from Majestic. 5 out of 10 gold auto. That is a nasty one. Nice pull, man. 2018 Majestic Football. That is awesome. 5 out of 10. What a way to start on the Leaf Best of Football. So that gives you a picture of some of the cool stuff you can pull out of here. So Doug, that might have been because you closed out the break, man. So appreciate you doing that. So we will get those cards in the mail to you guys tomorrow. And like I said, we'll do another one next weekend. But you let me know which sport you guys prefer. And we'll try to do more of those in the future.